Thank you for joining us for a brief tutorial of how to submit a clinical or lab log on the TracPrac app. You will be using the TracPrac app to log your time, location, and activities and skills. Step 1. Sign in on the app to log your clinical or lab experience. You will need to download the TracPrac app. It is available on Google Play or in the App Store. Once you sign in on the blue home screen, please click Check In for Session to start. Step 2. The first time you use the TracPrac app, you will need to enable your location services when prompted to do so. You will then select your location and instructor and click Save. This will start your time. Please remember, students must let the time run to log the correct amount of time and hours. TracPrac is real time and real date. When you're ready to come back at the end of the day and log your skills or activities, you will find your session in the activity log. Step 3. From the new session screen, you will click Add Skills and then select the skill category. Next, you will select by touching each skill or activity completed during your rotation from the screen. They will be presented in alphabetical order. Once you're done, you will click Done in the top right corner. Step 4. On the skill detail page, you will select your participation role and add any notes and click Save. You can go back and add additional skills by clicking Add Skills, or you have the option to have your session signed by your instructor by clicking Sign Session. Be sure to click Save on each screen. Once you are ready to submit your log, you may click End Session. This makes the session read only and it cannot be edited by the student. Step 5. To view your submitted logs, you can go to the blue home screen and click on Activity Log. You can look under Completed Sessions, and once your instructor has verified, it will show Approved. Prior to verification, it will show Awaiting Approval. This concludes the tutorial of logging a clinical or lab experience. If you need support, please reach out on our live chat available on our website in the lower right corner.